Living in Dubai without a will can create serious problems for your family. Many expats don't realize that local laws might override their wishes if they pass away. Without a proper will, your bank accounts can be frozen, your assets might be split in unexpected ways, and your spouse or children may face legal delays. So, in this video, you will learn how to register a will in Dubai, the differences between the DIFC and the notary option, and how each one can protect your assets, your family, and peace of mind. Before we start, my name is Shiraz Baid, and I'm the founder at Lepidus Wealth, where we help clients and families protect their assets using a range of tools, including trust, foundations, wills, and offshore structures. So, if you own a business or real estate, don't wait until a legal or health crisis to start thinking about protecting what you have built. Instead, request your free and customized asset protection plan by clicking the link below. You can then implement it step by step as your journey progresses. The DIFC Will Center is based in the Dubai International Financial Center. It was specifically set up for non Muslim expats who want their assets distributed according to common law principles. This structure gives you full freedom to distribute your assets the way that you want, whether to your spouse, children, or even to charitable trust. The DIFC will is backed by its own independent legal system based on English common law, and its judgments are enforceable within Dubai. It covers your assets in Dubai and also any guardianship instructions for your minor children. Now contrast that with Dubai Notary Public Route. This is more traditional option handled under the Dubai codes and local laws. It still allows non-Muslim to register a will, but the drafting and registration must be done in Arabic language, and the will is subject to the civil transaction laws and interpretation of the local practice. While this route is lower in cost, it may come with more ambiguity and potential hurdles during the enforcement time. Especially for high value or complex estates, the DIFC route is usually the preferred one. So, why is having a will so critical for expats in Dubai? First, let's talk about what happens if you don't have one. Without a registered will, your estate becomes subject to deferred succession rules. That can lead to your bank accounts being frozen, your spouse needing to apply for court permission to access joint assets, and your children's guardianship being placed in temporary custody until a legal guardian is approved. In many cases, families are left with uncertainty for months, sometimes even years. Having a registered will avoids all of that. It gives you certainty, it ensures your spouse can immediately access funds, it names the guardians of the children, and it reflects your personal and cultural values, not someone else's assumptions. This is particularly important if you have cross border assets, dual citizenship, or beneficiaries in multiple countries. A will registered in Dubai brings clarity where it matters the most. Clients often ask whether their home country will is sufficient. In most of the cases, it's not. A foreign will may not be recognized by Dubai courts unless it goes through the lengthy legalization process. And even then, it may not be enforced in the way that you intended. Dubai courts prefer locally registered wills, especially those in DIFC, where the legal structure is designed to handle expat estate planning with minimal delays. The process of setting up a DIFC will is straightforward, but must be done correctly. You will need to work with a registered professional, ensure your will complies with DIFC rules, and you need to appear for a signing appointment either in person or virtually. It's possible to cover real estate, bank accounts, business shares, and even guardianship all in one will. There are also specific will types, such as the full will, guardianship will, and property will, each designed to address different scenarios. The fee for the will vary, but for high net worth individuals, the certainty and control are well worth the cost. And here's something that many people misunderstand. Your Dubai will doesn't replace estate planning in your home country, it complements it. In many cases, you want to coordinate your Dubai plan with trust, foundations, and corporate structures you have offshore. That way, your entire global estate flows the way you intended across borders and across legal systems. We have also seen families use the Dubai will as part of broader strategy that includes a DIFC foundation. This allows you to separate legal ownership from the beneficial ownership. giving you even more protection and control, not just after death, but during your lifetime as well. Combining these tools provide a stronger layer of security, especially for families with assets in multiple jurisdictions. Another question we often hear is that can a Dubai will help reduce inheritance taxes in my home country? The short answer is yes, but not directly. Dubai itself does not impose inheritance taxes, but your home jurisdiction might do. However, by clearly segmenting your Dubai based assets, you may be able to argue for separate treatment under tax treaties or local exemptions. It all depends on the tax residency of the beneficiaries and how your estate is structured. This is where coordinated advice becomes essential. Ultimately, the will is not just a legal formality, it's a statement of intent. It's a safeguard for your spouse, your children, and your legacy. And in Dubai, getting this wrong can cause unnecessary suffering. Fortunately, the tools to get it right are already available. You just need to use them. So feel free to reach out if you want to explore whether a DIFC will is the right for you or how to pair it with a Dubai foundation for added protection. As I mentioned earlier, if you own a business or real estate, don't wait for legal or health crisis to start thinking about protecting your wealth. Many people think asset protection is only for ultra wealthy. But the reality is that some of these solutions cost as much as setting up a free zone company in Dubai. If you want to secure what you have built and ensure your legacy, you can request your free and customized asset protection plan by clicking the link in the description below. And if you're serious about building long term financial security, you should really check out my next video right here.